What is Kabuni?
Kabuni is a community created to turn your dreams and designs into reality.
But what does Kabuni offer me?
Kabuni offers the best resources for your talent to be recognized by thousands of people in a single click. Join our community and you will be able to take part in our challenges.
Challenges? I like the sound of that. What kind of challenges?
Kabuni offers competitions which allow you to demonstrate your inner talents, participating with other creatives to potentially win a prize.
How can I take part?
Very easily. Join Kabuni and we will guide you step by step through the submission of your design.
Will my designs be seen by the public?
Yes. Everybody will be able to see them, friends, acquaintances, and even other creatives. They will be able to see your work, leave their comments, and vote for your innovative ideas.
Kabuni sounds great. Besides, I'll be learning too, won't I?
Kabuni has been created to bring more talent, knowledge, and resources to you. It's a fantastic opportunity to collaborate with like-minded individuals and provide you with the chance to not only share your skills, but to learn more from others.
How will my idea become a product?
This is the best part. Submit your work and over a 7-day period, community members can vote and comment upon your design. These votes and comments will help us to decide which designs will be converted into unique and exclusive products.
Just out of curiosity, what does Kabuni actually mean?
Kabuni is a Swahili word that means design. Since Swahili should not be complicated to learn, neither should it be complicated to have design products.